Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni. So today, Musakaula is working very hard. He is giving us skatla after skatla. His timeline is lit and very busy child. Apparently, Bonang, Queen Bee is seeing Banele, the major league guy. This is according to Musakaula. Musa tweeted, turns out Bonang Matsebe and Banele Mpere of the Major League DJs have rekindled their relationship. Another tweet reads as follows, context, remember a couple of weeks ago when Mihlali posted a memo of Bonang. Also remember when Mihlali dated Banele of the Major League DJs? It turns out Bonang is dating Banele. This comes after she tagged him on a post saying, come home so I sit on your face. Trips reacted and others are in disbelief of these allegations. One trip said, wait, Bonang is dating the same major league guy that dated Nadia Nakai, aka now dating the same Nadia that dated Major League. Hey, minangas minalento. Iwishi. Another one said, no, they are neighbors, go waterfall. Banele stays the third house from at Bonang house. Hence, she said, come home cause they always chill together. Yay, we don't believe it. These people once dated. One also said, I wish she'd date a corporate nigger and settle down, have kids in the works. Ayeke laba ngoba they use her. Others defended Queen Bee and told Musa that he's lying. Bonang didn't tag anyone on that post. The trip said, she never tagged anyone on that post. Stop, please. So according to Musa's post, Mihlali Ndamase was jealous when she posted this image of Bonang. But we don't know, hey? Share your thoughts on this one, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.